Hello, and welcome to this series of videos on how to use the Brokerage System by Amplify Exchange. In this video, we will cover how to onboard as a level 1 user, which allows you to perform digital asset trading. Upgrading to level 2, where you have access to fiat services and greater trading limits, will be covered in a future video in this series. All right, let's get going. Let's get started right now. How to onboard with Amplify Exchange as a level 1 user. Starting at the homepage, which is amplifyexchange.com, we are going to click on the register button. You will be presented with a simple form that requires your email, desired password to be used on Amplify, first name, last name, country, and your date of birth. This information is used for a simple background screening to comply with AML KYC laws. Once you have completed the form, click on the green Continue button. You will be presented with a standard CAPTCHA verification, and upon completion of that, an email will be sent to the email you provided asking you to verify your email address. Simply switch to your email client and open the email as seen here, and click on the Activate Your Account button in the corner of the email. Upon clicking the email link, you'll be taken to the next step of the process, where you need to log in with the email address and the password you provided during your initial registration. Pretty straightforward. Okay, last step before becoming a level 1 trader, which will give you access to crypto trading pairs. Just enter your address in the spaces provided and click the green Continue button. Congratulations, you are now a level 1 trader. If you want to upgrade to have access to fiat services, you can do that now, or you can go ahead and skip level 2 verification and go ahead and deposit crypto or jump right into using the brokerage. In this video, we're going to show you how you can quickly deposit cryptocurrency right within the onboarding experience so you are ready to trade immediately. So click the Skip I'll Do This Later link and you'll be taken to a deposit screen or cryptocurrency. Select the currency you want to deposit. In this example, we are using Ripple. You'll be given a deposit address and an applicable tag that you can use and include in the deposit. In this video, you will see us send Ripple using Ledger Live and a Ledger Blue hardware wallet. You can see us paste the deposit address and tag necessary to execute the transfer, and once the transfer is sent, you can go back to the Amplify brokerage. If you do not wish to deposit any more cryptocurrencies, you can click the green Finish button, which will then take you to our terms and conditions. Simply scroll to the bottom of the terms and conditions and click the Accept and Agree button, and you are onboarded as a level 1 user and have made your first crypto deposit. You can now log in using the email and password you provided during the registration. The first time you log in, we provide you with safety tips to help keep your assets safe. Simply read and click the checkbox next to each item and click I understand and continue. Once you are fully logged in, scroll down to the asset you deposited, and once it has been confirmed on its associated blockchain, you will see your balance. In the expanded panel for your asset, you can view the chart, see a hand-curated list of news about your token, view the token's recent social media posts, and view the token's profile. Congratulations on being a part of Amplify Exchange. Our commission-free trading model stands apart from the rest, and we are excited for you to take part in it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can know when new instructional videos are released to help you take better advantage of the platform and amplify your digital assets.